is the uterine horns? What are the horns? Look at this. Similar to what? Look at the horn. Look at. What is this? Similar to that's it, horns. Uterine horns or fallopian. That's it. That's fallopian con. What is the cervix? The cervix? What is the cervix? Which part is this? The cervix. Cervix. What is the vagina? Look at vagina in English. Vagina. Vagina. What is the uterus body? What is the uterus body? That's it. That's utero. But this body is this. Body is this. What is a body? Body is uterus.
Body is
No, body is this. This is my body. This is my body, and this is your body. This is your body. Your body is head, tongue, and legs. That's your body. All. Head, tongue, and legs are body. This is the body. My body is this. That's okay. Well, yes, the uterus body. Okay, let's see. Do you think these words are similar to Spanish or not? These words, for example, rectum, is similar to Spanish?
Yes.
Vagina is like in Spanish?
Yes.
And pelvis is like in Spanish?
Yes.
What do you think about ovary?
Yes.
What do you think is ovary? Ovario. Let's see. Pay attention. These words that are written similar to Spanish in English are called cognates. What is a cognate? For example, this word is a cognate. This word is a cognate. It's a word that is similar to Spanish. I think ovary is ovarium. Yes, but you are going to prove this. Yes, with your dictionary. Use your dictionary and look for the word ovary. For example, you look for ovary. No, Jesús. Ahora en serio. Ovary, and Jesus is going to call rectum, Jesús. Rectum. Look for the word rectum. What do you think is rectum? Rectum. That's it. And